Hello everybody, welcome again to Nanaaba's Kitchen, and if you're joining us for the first time, I say a warm welcome to you and thank you so much for choosing to stop by. So today's video is a quick tutorial on how to clean your catfish. For your soups, for your grill, whatever you choose to use this fish for. So you need your lemon or lime, and you also need some salt, and of course you need the water as well. So fetch some water into your cleaning basin, add some salt, a good amount, and also juice your lemon right into the water. So I felt that this tutorial would be useful because catfish is delicious. However, it has a lot of slime on the skin. So it's very difficult to work with until all of that is removed. And as you can see right now, the fish is very pigmented. It has that dark pigment on it. All of that is going to be removed. So you're going to use the lemon that you've squeezed to actually clean the fish. So you're going to use it to scrub it. Now the fish also comes with whiskers. That's why it's called catfish. So you're going to cut those whiskers off. And then you're going to also cut the tail off, and as well as the fins. Now friends, you may substitute the lemon with lime juice, tomato juice, or white vinegar. You just need some acid to cut and remove that slime. Now friends, you notice it's a lot easier to handle the fish at this point because the slime is gone, and that's from the acid in the lemon juice. Now the fishmonger has already done about 40% of the cleaning by removing the belly or the guts as well as the gills. So what's left to clean is not much. Now it is time to scrape that dark pigment off, and you're going to need a blunt knife. Make sure that your knife is blunt because it can easily cut you if it's too sharp. So scrape, and just as you can see how the pigment comes right off. Most fish come with scales, but catfish comes with slime and this dark pigment, which you really don't want. So you want to clean it thoroughly. And see how it's coming right off? That's because you've soaked it in the water of salt and also the lemon. And it just comes right off. And like I said, by the time we're done with cleaning this fish, it's going to be nice and a light silvery color. Do the best you can with the head area. You can't get much of the pigment off, but you can get some, so do the best you can. You're going to rinse it off at this point, and then you're going to change the water as well. See how it's nice and light silvery? That is your indication that your fish is thoroughly clean. See how dark the water is too? Let's get rid of it and change the water. We're going to do one last scrubbing, and our fish is totally clean, ready for that pepper soup. Be on the lookout for that soup. Is coming up next. Is going to be epic. Your catfish is ready for this pepper soup. Stay tuned. It's coming up next. I hope you found this tutorial useful. I thank you for watching. Make it a great day, and as always, have fun, especially in that kitchen.